Alrighty, how are we guys? We've just head down to the dam. We're going to try and catch a couple of yabbies. We'll do a quick catch and cook. Get some yabbies out of here hopefully. And we'll boil them up and have a taste. Alrighty, let's crack on.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alrighty, here we go guys, we're down the dam. We're going to catch some yabbies. I just got a fishing line, just with a little bit of sausage on there. He's going to drop it near the hole and scoop him up and try and get a feed. Alrighty, let's crack on and see how we go. Alright, as soon as they start taking it into their hole, there we go. There we go. Nice yabby. Got no eggs under him. We'll get a few more of these and have a cook up and have a bit of a feed. Beautiful. Alright, so we're getting a couple now. Not too bad size, these yabbies. The best thing if you do get a couple and you got your bucket there, try and get some bark or some leaves. And you just put that in there with them, and that will sort of separate all the big guys, and that stops them ripping all the bloody claws off the other ones. So I'll chuck him in, and we're getting a few now. Should have a decent feed. Alrighty. We'll pretty much just get the water on the boil, a little bit of salt in that water. You put your yabbies in for about 5 to 10 minutes until they go nice and orange. Pull them out of the hot water, let them cool down a bit. You get plenty of meat off their tails, and if they're big enough you'll get some meat out of their nippers as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and remember, life is better outdoors.